In February 2019, the outline development plan for the Guangdong-Kang-Mekao Greater Bay Area was issued by Chinese authorities. It made Li Linxian, a medical doctor who was teaching at a Hong Kong university, see a good time to start his own business. At the end of that year, he established a biotechnology enterprise in Hong Kong and Shenzhen at the same time, focusing on the research and development of nucleic acid drug delivery technology.
我们当时也是希望能够融合香港跟深圳这两地的优势，然后能够把一些早期的科学研究，还有就是包括一些临床样本制备的生产这些能够合在一起。
Nearly 5 years later, the company has grown from a few people to a team of 160 and has received hundreds of millions of RMB in financing.
我觉得未来大湾区会发展越来越好。就像最开始5年之前，我们当时决定在公司城设立在大湾区，就是觉得整个大湾区的融合创新会带来更大的便利。
Since the implementation of the outline of the plan, the development of all walks of life in the Greater Bay Area has been in full bloom. According to the Global Innovation Index 2023 released by the World Intellectual Property Organization, the Shenzhen-Hong Kong-Guangzhou cluster has been ranked second in the world for 4 consecutive years. As one of the central cities of the Greater Bay Area, Hong Kong has played an irreplaceable role and at the same time gained huge opportunities for high-quality development.
我觉得大湾区它是一个非常综合的，全世界都找不到的一个宝地，创业的宝地。那么我们能够身处在这个时间和这个地域我们感觉非常的幸运那么未来呢，我相信它一定会迸发更大的能量。
我想就是多发挥香港的角色了，因为我们背靠的是祖国，背靠祖国面向国际嘛，那就是从来香港都是发挥这个作用的。